In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift on Steam Desktop. If you've ever wanted to surprise someone with a game, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from the desktop app, clearly and confidently. Start by opening the Steam Desktop application on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, look to the top of the window and click on Store. This takes you to Steam's storefront, where you can browse featured titles, search by name, or explore categories and specials. Take a moment to open the game's store page you want to gift. Here, it's worth double-checking the exact edition, any bundled content, and the system requirements. Also, some titles may have regional restrictions or specific platform notes listed on the page, so a quick glance can help avoid surprises later. When you're sure you found the right game, click Add to Cart. A confirmation will appear showing that the item has been added. Next, click View My Cart to open your shopping cart. This page summarizes your selection and price, so it's a great time to confirm you've got the correct title and edition. By default, the purchase option may be set to For My Account. Change that selection to This is a Gift. Switching to gift mode ensures the game isn't added to your own library and prepares the checkout to send it to someone else. You'll see the cart update accordingly, making it clear you're purchasing the item as a gift. When you're ready, click Continue to Gift Options. This moves you to the gifting flow, where Steam will guide you through the remaining details. From here, you'll be able to personalize how the gift is sent and finish the purchase with the usual checkout steps. If anything looks off, you can always back up to your cart to make quick adjustments before proceeding. And that's it. You've navigated to the store, chosen a game, added it to your cart, switched the purchase to a gift, and continued to the gift options. Follow the on-screen prompts to wrap it up and enjoy making someone's day on Steam.